Hi, I'm Jacqui Sherriff from O'Brien Electrical Granville. I'm the General Manager. We started our business in 1998, so 24 years ago. Just myself, my husband and a van, and that was it. So we did everything from our home. Lots of hours of paperwork, late nights, pin boards and notice boards and job sheets. We were introduced to the Simpro package and software, and that just seemed to fit perfectly with our business. It gave us support online. It was easy to manage, easy to use, and we were able to transfer all our existing data into Simpro, and it became a seamless process. Before we had Simpro, we worked with a server-based job management system. When we moved to a cloud-based system, we could really see the difference. It saved time, it saved processes, allowed us to work anywhere we like. We can travel. We've just been to Ireland and we were able to work while we were there. We've got employees in the last 2 years who've had to work from home because of COVID, and they've been able to work seamlessly because of the systems that are in place. Allowing our staff to work to the best of their ability means giving them autonomy in their jobs and the tools that they need. The mobile app and the desktop program work together, so our staff in the field and our service manager in the office are able to connect with each other, and their jobs are transferred seamlessly, and it just gives us a great deal of flexibility. They can see what their day looks like before they leave home. They can get to a job site and know exactly what they have to do, and all the information is there in the palm of their hand. We've got a really great team. We've got a successful business. Just watching it grow from a one-man show to having now 12, 13 employees, and being able to look around the city and see the things that we've worked on is a real highlight.
Simpro. Work smarter.